The work was done very quickly. It was actually completed all in one day, so I was very impressed by how quickly the work was done. I heard of Carolina Roof Consultants because some of my neighbors actually used your service, and I'm happy with the service. I contacted you guys, and then you guys came out and performed the work for me. Happy with the quality of shingle. I was happy with the presentation prior to the installation, explaining what needed to be done, overall happy with the total project. And so yeah, just overall very happy with the work. And if a neighbor actually needed work done similar to mine, I would definitely recommend Carolina Roof Consultants for that work.